Start off by putting a piece of tape in the top of your nail and also in the bottom, and leave a space in the middle of your nail so you can paint it. Now it's time to paint your nail where you left the tape on. I did not know why I chose black and white, but I thought it looked cool. But you can choose any color that you have and any color that you want for summer and for spring. Now it's time to peel it off. Be really careful on peeling it off because I did not let it to dry for that long, but just leave it to dry for seconds. Now on the other one, I'm doing the same. I'm just painting it black, the opposite colors, but you can choose kind of like a blue and a yellowish, and that'd be awesome. And again, try to remove it when it's dry. I did not do that because I don't have that much patience, but if you do, it will be perfect. Then it's time to remove any mistakes that we have made, such as remove it with the Q-tip or a cotton pad, and that'd be awesome. Now it's time to close it up with the top coat. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel, and that'll be awesome. And also follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I will be linking, listing the names of the nail polishers in the down bar. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.